Well, well, well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beard's Diaries. Roll the tape. Just kidding, there's no tape to roll. We're not to that level yet. We don't have an entry, an intro, whatever. I can't even say it right. But practice makes perfect for when we're to that level. But for now, practice. Now, where we left off, I had trimmed the cheek lines down significantly, and that was because I wanted to try something now. I wanted to try an extended goatee, or a Hollywoodian, if you will. Now what that is you pretty much, it's just a really big goatee. And let me see if this helps. So what I did was I brought the cheek lines down all the way to pretty much the lower jawline, and I made the line straight back from the mustache. Now I did this before going to Bali, just wanted to try something new out, so right now I'm in the midst of letting it grow back out. Speaking of Bali, when I was on the way to Bali, if you didn't see the video before, I actually got my heated beard brush, newly acquired heated beard brush, confiscated in China, so be very careful about that. And one more thing in regard to Bali, if you don't mind, I'm going to throw some footage that I grabbed on my trip to Bali, and it's going to be the first few hours or so, pretty much the first 24 hours of the trip, but I'll put that at the end of the video for those who care to watch that. But we're going to go back to the beard right now, and I've been getting a lot of questions in regard to what I use, or what I did use to kind of maintain my cheek line, especially when I was doing the curve. It's called a eyebrow shaper. And so here's a video of me using that eyebrow shaper. Below I have linked on Amazon where you can get them, but it's even easier than that. Pretty much Walmart, Rite Aid, Walgreens, whatever's close to you, if those are available to you, will carry them, and it's about $1 per razor. So it's not bad at all, and to me, I did find it very helpful. I use past tense because I haven't really been doing a lot of lining up in regard to the cheek line, being that I am letting it grow back out, but I have been using a safety razor to kind of just clean up the top part of my cheek line, which, if you can tell, I kind of have to get back to doing that because I've fallen off a little bit. So maybe, you know what, that'll be the next video. I'll go ahead and show you what I'm talking about in regard to cleaning up the cheek line, as well as cleaning up the side of the beard, under the beard, and my hairline has definitely been neglected. If you don't mind, I hope you don't mind, I'm going to start the footage from the first 24 hours or so of my recent Bali trip. I hope you enjoy. Don't be scared, Nick. Wait, no, you have to go talk to it.
Hello, English. Oh, it has the arm expression.
Beggars can't be
Look at this. I don't
choosers.
even know what the heck it is, but it looks weird, and I'm gonna try it. We're crossing when it was red.
All right. We survived the first night out in Bali. Not even really, we didn't go out anywhere. We just started participating in the festivities last night.
I think actually 2 people pulled an all-nighter.